How to create everyday rewards account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create an everyday rewards account. Now the process is simple. You can head into the browser of everydayrewards.com and you can sign up there, or you can download the everyday rewards application as I've done so. As you can see here on the screen, I've downloaded it and opened the application. Once you open up the application, you can see you'll get two different options there: sign in to everyday rewards, the first option, and new to rewards, sign up for free. Simply tap on the sign up for free option there at the bottom, and here it'll take you to another page and it might take some time to load up. You want to wait up, and once it's loaded up, you can see it says let's create your account. You want to simply enter in your first name here, enter in your last name here, and simply tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it'll ask you to enter in your email address. Enter in your email address here. Once you enter in your email address, you want to enter in all other details. Once you have entered in your details, you tap on next, and you can see it'll ask you to enter in your address and if you have do you have a temporary everyday rewards card. So simply type in your address here. I'll just type in my address real quick, and I don't have a card, so I'll tap on no and then tap on continue. Once you do so, it'll ask you to verify your email. You'll get a verification code on your email. All you have to do is head into your mail and there look for the verification code. Now I've already got the verification code. If I scroll down the notification bar here, 987364 is the code, and simply tap on verify and the account should be verified and you should get logged in. So this way you can sign in or create everyday rewards account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.